Hello students, very good morning, and today we are going to learn practice set 1.5, which is completely based on application of linear equations in two variables. So these two questions are remaining from the practice set 1.5. So question number 5 is two types of boxes A and B, two type of boxes A and B are to be placed in a truck having capacity of 10 tons. So 1 ton is equal to 1000 kg. So we can write 10 tons is equal to 10,000 kg. So this is the first condition. When 150 boxes of type A and 100 boxes of type B are loaded in the truck, weigh 10 tons. Now second condition, but when 260 boxes of type A are loaded in the truck, it can still accommodate 40 boxes of type B. It means that when we load 260 boxes of type A, so the truck can carry 40 more boxes of type B, and so that it is fully loaded, means it is equal to, the weight is equal to 10 tons. Okay, so how we will solve? So this is a what strength, this I will show you. If this is the truck, okay, this is the truck, and the weight of the truck, the capacity of the truck is what? 10 tons. 10 tons is nothing but 1 ton is equal to what? 1000 kg. So 10 tons is equal to 10,000 kg. Okay. So this is our question. Now this is our first condition. This is our second condition. We have to find the weight of each type of box. So start the solution. Let the weight of A type box be x kg. Okay, let the weight of A type box be x kg and the weight of B type box be y kg. Now write the first condition. What is first condition? When 150 boxes of type A means what? X, means 150 boxes of type A, that is 150 x, plus 100 boxes of type B, that is y, so 100 y, and this is equal to 10 tons, that is 10,000 kg. Okay, so dividing whole equation, each term of this equation is divisible by 50. So divide or dividing by 50 on both sides. So divide by 50 on both sides. So what you will get? 150x divided by 50 plus 100 y divided by 50, and this is equal to 10,000 divided by 50. So you will cancel out the 0 and the 0 will cancel out. 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15, you get 3x plus this 0 will cancel out. 5 ones are and 5 twos are, so you get 2y, and this is equal to 1 0 will cancel out. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, and this will be 20, this will be 200. So this will be the equation number 1. So this is the from the first condition we are getting equation number 1. Now we'll solve the second condition. From second condition. So from the second condition, but when 260 boxes of A type, that is X, means 260 boxes of type A and weight of type A boxes X kg. So 260X, I will write here, 260X are loaded in the truck. It can still accommodate 40 more boxes of type B. Means 260 boxes when you will load in the truck. So this truck, the weight of the capacity of this truck is 10 tons. So when you will add more 40 boxes of type B, so this weight becomes equal to 10 tons. Okay. So 260 boxes of A type, that is 260X plus 40 Y, 40 boxes of type B, so that it is fully loaded, and fully loaded it means that the capacity of truck, that is 10,000, that is 10 tons. So 10 tons is nothing but 10,000 kg. 1 ton is equal to 1 ton is equal to what? 1000 kg. So what will be 10 tons? 10,000 kg. So when 260 boxes of A type and 40 boxes of B type are loaded in the trucks, so it is fully loaded, means 10,000 equal to 10 tons. Now again this is whole is divisible by 20. So each term of this equation is divisible by 20. So write dividing on both sides by 20. So divide by 20, so 260x divided by 20 plus 40y divided by 20, and this is equal to 10,000 divided by 20. So here 10 will cancel out, 2 ones are 2, 2 13s are 26, you will get 13x plus 10 is cancel out, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, this will be 2y, and this is equal to 10 is cancelled, 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10, and this 20, so at 500, this will be equation number 2. So from the second equation we are getting equation number 2. Now we will solve this equation. We will solve equation 1 and equation 2. So we will get the value of x and y variable. Now when you will see equation 1, you are having plus 2y, and equation 2 you are having plus 2y, having same sign, so you are going to subtract. So I'll write subtracting equation 1 and 2. So we are going to subtract equation 1 and 2. So what equation 1? 3x plus 2y is equal to 200. 3x plus 2y is equal to 300. Sorry, 3x plus 2y is equal to 200, not 300, 200. And what is equation 2? 13x plus 2y is equal to 500. 13x plus 2y is equal to 500. So you are subtracting, so sign will change of the second equation. So change the sign, so this plus becomes minus, this plus becomes minus, and this plus becomes minus. Now we will cancel out plus 2y and minus 2y. So this will be what? Minus 10x is equal to minus 300. Minus 10x is equal to minus 300, and therefore you will get x is equal to minus 300 divided by minus 10, which is equal to 30. Because the value of x is equal to 30. Okay, the value of x is equal to 30. Now put the value of x in equation 1. So put x is equal to 30 in equation 1. What is equation 1? Equation 1 is 3x plus 2y is equal to 200. So write here 3x plus 2y is equal to 200. So 3x is 30 plus 2y is equal to 200, and this will be 90 plus 2y is equal to 200. Now we transfer 90 on the right hand side. So this will be what? 2y is equal to 200 minus 90. So 2y is equal to 200 minus 90, which is equal to 110. Okay. So what will be the value of y? So y is equal to 110 divided by 2. So which is equal to 55. We will divide 110 by 2. So you will get y is equal to 55. Okay. So here x is equal to what? X is equal to 30 and y is equal to 55. So but what is x? X is the weight of A type box, and what is y? Y is the weight of B type box. So you will write the answer finally what you will write? Finally you will write the answer that weight of A type box is 30 kg. What will write the answer? Finally we will write the answer. Weight of A type box is 30 kg and weight of A type box is 30 kg and B type box is 55 kg. So this is your student, this is the answer. Okay student, this is the answer. Weight of A type box is 30 kg and weight of B type of box is 55 kg. Okay students, so this is our answer. Now we will see the very last question of this practice set, that is question number 6. Okay students, so this is the question number 6. This is very important question, and here we are going to use one formula of science also, that is speed is equal to distance upon time. Okay, so this formula we will use in this question. So question number 6 is what? Out of 1900 kilometer, Vishal traveled some distance by bus and some by aeroplane. Bus travel with average speed 60 km per hour and the average speed of aeroplane is 700 km per hour. It takes 5 hours to complete the journey. Find the distance Vishal traveled by bus. So this is very good question. Student, suppose this is the distance, this is total distance, that is from A to B, and this is total distance 1900 kilometer. This is the total distance Vishal traveled by Vishal. Okay, so Vishal travels some distance by bus and then remaining distance by aeroplanes. So Vishal travel A to B by bus. Okay, so this is the distance traveled by Vishal by bus. Okay, so we will consider or let Vishal travel x kilometer by bus and remaining distance, that is y kilometer by an aeroplane. Okay, so solution will start. Let Vishal travel x kilometer by bus and y kilometer by an aeroplane. Okay, so this is the total distance, that is A to B. This is the starting point, this is the end point, and total distance is 1900 kilometer. So we can write from the first condition, that is x plus y is equal to 1900 kilometer. So from the first condition, what we will get? We will get x plus y, x kilometer plus y kilometer is equal to 1900 kilometer. So this will be equation number 1. Okay. So from the first condition, what we are getting? We are getting equation number 1. Now for second condition, bus travels with average speed 60 km per hour. So I will write here bus, and here I will write aeroplane. Okay. So what is the average speed of bus? So average speed of bus is what? 60 km per hour. Okay. What is average speed of bus? 60 km per hour, and average speed of aeroplane is what? 700 km per hour. And we know the distance traveled by bus. So distance is what? Distance traveled by bus is what? X kilometer. Distance traveled by bus is what? X kilometer. So distance is x kilometer. And here distance is y kilometer. So speed is equal to what? Distance upon time. Speed is here, distance is here. So we know the formula, speed is equal to distance upon time. So we can calculate time taken by bus. Okay, so I will take T1 is the time taken by the bus to cover x kilometer. So T1, so what will be T1 is distance upon speed. Speed is equal to distance upon time, so time is equal to what? Distance upon speed. So T1 is the time for bus, so I will write T1 is equal to distance upon speed. And what is distance? Distance is x kilometer and speed is 60 km per hour. So this is the value of T1 for bus, and T2 is the time taken by the aeroplane. T1 is the time taken by the bus, and T2 is the time taken by the aeroplane to travel y kilometer. So T2 how will calculate? So T2 again will calculate distance upon time. Distance upon time. So distance is y kilometer and time is 700 km per hour. So this is the value of T2. And in the question only, it takes 5 hours to complete the journey. Means T1 plus T2. T1 plus T2 is the time. T1 plus T2 is equal to what? 5 hours. T1 plus T2 is equal to 5 hours. So what is T1? That is x upon 60. So I will write x upon 60 plus what is T2? T2 is y upon 700, and this is equal to 5 hours. Okay. So what is T1? T1 is x upon 60. What is T2? T2 is y upon 700, and this is equal to 5. Now student, we will find the LCM of 60 and 700. So LCM of 60 and 700 will be, so LCM of 60 and 700 is 2100. Okay, you find the LCM of 60 and 700, you will come to know the LCM is 2100. Okay, what is LCM? LCM is 2100. Now you multiply this equation by 2100, so you will get 2100 multiplied by x by 60 plus 2100 multiplied by y by 700, and this is equal to 2100 multiplied by 5. Because the LCM of 60 and 700 is 2100, so you are going to multiply this whole equation by 2100. Now you will cancel, so this 0 and 0 will cancel out, and then divide. 6 1s are 6, 6 3s are 18, and 3 30, 6 5s are 30. So you will get 35x. Here you get 35x plus 1020, 1020 cancel out. 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21. So this will be 3y, and this is equal to, this will be 20 plus, and then 5 1s are 5, and 5 2s are 10. Is 10,500. This will be equation number 2. So this will be the equation number 2. Now observe equation 1 and 2. How you will solve this equation? So we have to multiply equation 1 by 3. So multiply equation 1 by 3. So what you will get? When you multiply equation 1 by 3, so you will get 3x plus 3y is equal to 3x plus 3y, and this is equal to 19 3s are 5700, and this will be equation number 3. Now see equation 2 and equation 3. In both the equation you are having plus 3y. Means same sign, so you are going to subtract. So write subtracting equation 2 and equation 3. Now we subtract equation 2 and equation 3. What is equation 2? I will write here 35x plus 3y is equal to 10,500. What is equation 3? Equation 3 is 3x plus 3y is equal to 5700. And now you will subtract. So what will happen? This plus becomes minus, this plus becomes minus, this plus becomes minus. Now you will cancel plus 3y with minus 3y. So cancel out. This will be 32x, and this is equal to, just we will subtract 0, 0, 50 minus 7, 8, here is 9, 9 minus 5 is 4. So you are getting 32x is equal to 4800. So what will be the value of x? So x is equal to 4800 divided by 32. Now you divide by 16. 16 2s are 32 and 16 3s are 48. This will be 300. And when you will divide again 300 by 2, so you will get x is equal to 150. Okay. What is the value of x? X is 150. And what is x? X is the distance traveled distance traveled by the bus. So Vishal traveled X kilometer by bus, and this you have to calculate. Find the distance Vishal traveled by bus, and distance Vishal traveled by bus is x. So answer is the distance traveled by the by Vikas by bus is 150 kilometer. So answer you will write here. Answer, what will be the answer? Distance Vishal traveled by the bus is what? 150 kilometer. We'll write the answer. What answer you will write? Write the answer, that is distance Vishal traveled by bus is 150 kilometer. Okay students, so this is a very good and very best example of practice set 1.5. So student, here we have completed this practice set 1.5, and now our next will be the problem set. So students, you solve all the question from each practice set and try to solve the question based on in problem set, means question based on practice set, solve from the problem set. Okay students, so thank you very much. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay good, take care.